network. Stuffin bags non-stop like there is no tomorrow. If ye haven't yet, then you will be in sorrow. Professing my love for crypto in my lingo. Mabuhay sa inyong lahat, kamusta na kayo? Makinig mabuti dahil para rin to sa inyo.
Rise and shine, bullish time. Look at them views. Soon we'll be island hopping. Huge shout out to XRP Bags and Lady E dropped a new song. I will link this in the description. Stuffin Bags. Alrighty guys, VeChain coming for the #1 spot. Also seizing the opportunity in digital finance in this digital decade. VeChain coming for the #1 spot. XRP gathering momentum for huge bull run. Brooks says private companies need to issue stablecoins. This is a huge shout out for RSR. You do not want to miss RSR. Smash some thumbs up, hit that subscribe. I am not a financial advisor. I'm documenting my journey on the digital decade, seizing the opportunity from digital finance. Bank of England policymaker says digital currencies will be a part of the new monetary order. If you guys already know, Bank of England is a paid Ripple customer. Bank of England policymaker Andy H believes widely used digital currency will have a positive impact on financial stability. And the Bank of England is broadening its assessment of digital currencies, including evaluating how these assets could form the basis of a new monetary order. The Bank of England runs on Ripple, seizing the opportunity in digital finance. Also, guys, this is massive. Jay Clayton says it's time to use technology to address the inefficiencies in payment system. For Jay Clayton to say this, guys, wow, what complete turnaround. Clayton says it's time to use this technology. Now, the only technology I can think that's available to address the inefficiencies in the payment system is XRP at this moment. Also, if you guys recall, this is the Economic Club of New York. Here's Brad Growinghouse. I'm going to leave this here for everyone to see. Shout out to Out of Context Group, Out of Context GRP. The Economic Club of New York, Brad Growinghouse did speak at the Economic Club of New York. And now Jay Clayton has made the announcement. It's time to address the inefficiencies in payments with technology. Interesting. Brad Growinghouse has been extremely bullish lately, guys. Never a dull moment in crypto. Institutional investor interest is skyrocketing. Industry growth comes down to real-world utility. A store of value, BTC, is extremely useful. Inflation against hedge. XRP speed, cost, and scalability make it extremely useful for payments. Clayton says it's time to use technology to address the inefficiency in payments. Very interesting scenario there. Also, guys, huge shout out to my brother, Deshaun the Legend Goodwin. Launch of crypto banks imminent, says OCC chief. Launch of crypto banks imminent. Controller of currency Brian Brooks says crypto banks is just around the corner. In an interview with Forbes, head of officer controller of currency reveals that there are a few crypto firms for the trust charter which OCC in order to provide crypto banking services. Brooks has historically been friendly towards crypto, notably ruling that banks could custody Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for their clients. Also, guys, stick around. There's going to be something really interesting connection here. Also, guys, Andreessen Horowitz backs Anchorage, goes live with new custody platform. Guys, Anchorage is a custody provider, and it is backed by Andreessen Horowitz. Now, if you guys go down here, in a recent crypto banking news, digital asset custodian Anchorage has applied to the OCC to become a national bank. Also, Andreessen Horowitz back and Anchorage goes live with its new custody platform. So this is a big deal. Anchorage, Andreessen Horowitz back crypto custody provider came out of stealth mode after a year and a half. Guys, if you know, Andreessen Horowitz is backing Coinbase and Ripple. Here is Anchorage, and here's the file with the OCC right here. Crypto is money of the future. Shout out to Mission XRP. Crypto banks are going to swallow fiat banks in 3 years or even less. In 3 years, the younger generation of banking customers won't do business with traditional banks unless it offers access to cryptocurrencies. Huge shout out to Mission XRP. That is so true. Credible Crypto says selling XRP now is like selling BTC at $197. XRP is gathering momentum for a huge bull run. I truly believe that as we get closer to the Spark airdrop, I believe the price will go to the moon. Top crypto analyst, popularly known as Credible Crypto, has stated the fourth largest digital currency by market cap, XRP, is gathering strength for an unstoppable bull run. Top analyst shared with his followers, 17,000 followers, that Ripple's digital token XRP may experience a pullback and then a correction, but will have a massive bull run after that. So, you guys see that XRP is gathering momentum for a huge bull run, and I believe the charts are laying that out because of the Spark airdrop on the 17th. On December 12th. Ripple Brad Garlinghouse, I want Bitcoin to be successful. Ripple is not competing with Bitcoin, according to CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Now, after warning public companies against Bitcoin, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse riled up its community. November 19th on Brainstorm podcast, he makes it clear that his company doesn't compete with the world's largest crypto. I don't view what Ripple is doing as somehow competitive with Bitcoin. I hold Bitcoin. I want Bitcoin to be successful. I do think all boats will rise. So this is really a big deal, guys, right here. Pretty much he spoke out against tribalism. If you guys go back to You Today, I'm actually going to pull that up. You Today, to show you guys. You Today, Brad Garlinghouse has made a case against crypto tribalism on the podcast. So here's my thing, guys. I pretty much do a morning live stream where I talk about diversifying and looking for hidden gems. I've been beating that drum for against tribalism for quite some time on the morning show. Smash that subscribe in the comments on the live stream channel. Shout out to BG. Okay, guys, here it is. Shout out to Trust in Yourself. U.S. regulators give green light to stablecoins. But if you recall this, OCC Brian Brooks against government-issued digital dollar supports regulation of privately issued stablecoins. Alrighty, guys, as you may know, I'm extremely bullish on RSR. RSR Reserve Protocol. Now, here's the project. Here's Reserve is a flexible pool of stablecoins. Now, I did look back at RSR website. I noticed something very interesting here. Here is the Reserve Protocol logo, and here is USDC, and here is Paxos, and here is USDT, and this looks like BUSD, and I think this is DAI, which is, these are all stable coins regulated and backed. Now, this Reserve Protocol is a two-token protocol system, and I truly believe that Brian Brooks is well aware of Reserve Protocol because Coinbase Ventures backs it. And Brian Brooks is making a case for a growing stablecoin supply. Acting Director, U.S. Controller of Currency, Brian Brooks says the creation of the U.S. digital dollar is a terrible one because the government is not good at building things. Instead, Brooks believes tech companies which already possess the know-how to be better positioned to issue stablecoin digital currencies. He says the U.S. government needs to focus on doing what they do best in regulation. So guys, I'm here to tell you now, if you look at the growth of major stablecoin USDT, you see it has been doubling in market cap every 60 days for the past 4 to 5 to 6 months. This kind of growth is outstanding. Envision role for central banks. So just like Circle and Coinbase have issued stablecoin, I believe that Brian Brooks is making a case for Reserve Protocol right here. He worked at Coinbase, and Reserve Protocol is backed by Coinbase Ventures, and of course it's backed by PayPal. It's the two-token power, the Reserve Protocol. Here's Reserve RSV, which is your stable coin, and here is RSR, the token I recommend having. So two-token protocol system, stable coin, private company, RSR, backed by PayPal and Coinbase. It's coming. And if you don't believe me, ask the RSR whale. He said, do your own research. This is not investment advice. Here's the RSR whale. You're either with RSR or you're against the future of crypto. Don't be a dummy who waits for a dip that never happens. Shout out to RSR. FOMO time. I'm not a financial advisor. Now, regulators give green light to stablecoins, and the reason I want to show you guys this right here, U.S. regulators give green light to stablecoins. Controller of currency has given federally chartered banks green light to hold reserve protocol on behalf of stablecoin issuers. It's coming, guys. Make sure you get RSR. Shout out to Crypto Kurt. RSR, 131 million USD 24-hour volume. Something is cooking. Do you smell what RSR is cooking? I truly do. Shout out to Crypto Kurt. Now, VeChain coming for the #1 spot. We've won the prestigious Innovation Green Tech Award at the Economy Summit 2020. We're proud that VeChain is recognized in large-scale government-hosted event. Our project manager Luke Tang gave a speech about sustainability solutions on stage as well. And of course, here's VeChain toolchain, and the audience is glued to the screen. VeChain coming for the #1 spot. Do you have VeChain? Do you have RSR? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, the Bullish Bull will come down. Smash that bull to subscribe to the Bullish Network. We drop videos daily. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Much love. Mahalo. Bullish time.